Alright, today is the last video in this series. So we are going to be learning the ending today. Okay, so the ending is a bunch of harmonics. I'm not sure what to call them, hybrid harmonics. Well, so the first chord we are barring is this. It is basically what we've been playing this entire time, but with one extra string, barring one extra string. So we're barring the 7th fret, we're barring 4 strings, and with this melody note on the 9th fret. Okay, and what we are playing with the right hand is the challenging part. But thankfully, it is the same pattern on the right hand over and over again while we change our left hand. So left hand, we are barring this, so we can forget about that for now. The right hand, what we are doing is playing a harmonic with our first finger and thumb. That is how we are playing the harmonic, like that. And while plucking another string with our third finger. So that's at the same time. So the first note we are playing is the 3rd string, the harmonic on the 3rd string, while plucking the 1st string at the same time. Like that. And then we move this, both of them, over one string. So we are playing the harmonic on the 4th string while plucking the 2nd string this time. And then we move it back. And the last note we are playing is moving the harmonic to the 2nd string while plucking the 1st string again. And we just repeat that over and over again on the right hand for the first time through. And the second chord we're playing on the left hand is this, which should look familiar. So we have our pinky on the 7th fret on the 1st string, and then index finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then we have these two notes on the 6th fret. And we're playing the exact same thing on the right hand, but of course we have to adjust the harmonics accordingly. Oh, by the way, the harmonics here, the dummy way is to just figure out, just keep on trying. It's not this fret, it's not this fret, it's on this fret. And since we are barring it, it's the same frets all the way through. And when we move this, we can see that we are moving this down 1 fret, which means we are moving these harmonics over 1 fret, except for our index finger, which is another fret down. So we also have to move that harmonic 1 extra fret down. Again, the dummy way is to just try it. So it's not here, it's not here, it's here. And then these two are here. Okay, so and then the next one is easy. We just keep this shape, but slide it 2 frets to the left, so 2 frets down. And again, we play the same thing on the right hand, but we adjust for the harmonic, so we move what we just played over 2 frets as well. Okay, and then the last one, we have the same shape as the first one, but we are barring the 2nd fret. So we're barring the 2nd fret, skipping a fret, and fretting this note on the 1st string, which is the 4th fret. And we are playing the harmonics right here. This is on the 14th fret, 12, 13, 14. Here's the 12th fret, 13, 14. And since we are barring, it is all on the same fret. Okay, so all the way through we have. And then the left hand just repeats. It is the exact same thing on the left hand, but the right hand, we are dropping some notes. So we're playing the same first two, but slower. And then we are skipping straight to the last one. So we are skipping the third one, but we're playing everything slower. And then repeat almost the exact same thing until the end. Which is just that. Once we hit the last chord on the third time through, we just play the single harmonic. So just the first one. Okay, so let's play all of that from the beginning. All right, and a couple tips. When we are turning around, so when we are moving from the last chord to the first chord again, before we swap, we can actually move our right hand to the right position. So if you need to look at your left hand, this is when to look, after you've already found the position on your right hand. So after you find your left hand position, you can just start playing right away because you've already found your right hand position. So if I do that slowly, it would look like this. Find the right hand position and then move the left hand. Excuse me, I played the wrong thing, but you get the idea. And it is better to be able to swap your left hand without looking at it. So I recommend just feeling the chord out, you know, so that. So just feel it out with your left hand, be able to do that without looking at your left hand. That way you can focus on your right hand, because the right hand is the one that is hard to find. So that is it. Have fun practicing, and congratulations for learning this entire piece.